Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best Grill Skewers stainless steel set on the market, the JY Cookment 14-inch stainless steel Kabob Skewers. If you love grilling, whether it's meat, chicken, or veggies, these skewers are designed to elevate your barbecue experience with quality, durability, and ease of use. First off, let's talk about what makes these skewers stand out. Made from premium food-grade stainless steel, these skewers are rust-proof and heat-resistant, ensuring they'll last through many grilling seasons without bending or twisting. Unlike thin or flimsy skewers, the JYCOOKMENT set has a robust 0.16 mm thickness and a width of 0.2 inches. Which means you can load them up with your favorite chunks of meat and vegetables without worrying about warping or bending. One of the most practical features of these skewers is their flat blade design. Unlike traditional round skewers, the flat metal prevents your food from spinning around when you flip it on the grill. This keeps your kebabs perfectly intact, ensuring even cooking and a more professional grilling result. No more fiddling with skewers or having your food fall off mid-flip, just reliable, steady grilling every time. The length of these skewers is also well thought out. At 14 inches, they're the perfect size to fit most grills comfortably while keeping your hands safely away from the heat. The ergonomic wavy handle adds extra grip, making flipping and turning easier and safer without having to remove the grill lid. This thoughtful handle design improves control and comfort, especially when handling hot food. Cleaning is a breeze with these skewers. Thanks to their smooth stainless steel surface, food residue doesn't stick easily, and they're completely dishwasher safe. This means after your cookout, you can simply toss them in the dishwasher, and they'll come out looking as good as new, ready for your next grilling session. The JYCOOKMENT skewers come in a convenient set of 12, complete with a handy storage bag, so you can keep everything organized and portable, perfect for backyard barbecues, camping trips, or picnics. Plus, they arrive in an elegant package, making them a great gift for the grilling enthusiasts in your life. Another thoughtful feature is the skewers' angled tips. This makes piercing food effortless without splintering or tearing your ingredients. The tips are sharp enough to slide through meat and veggies easily but designed to avoid causing injury, which is a nice balance of safety and functionality. In summary, the JY Cookment 14-inch stainless steel Kabob skewers combine high-quality materials, smart design, and user-friendly features to offer a grilling accessory that truly stands out. Whether you're a weekend griller or a seasoned barbecue pro, these skewers provide reliability, convenience, and durability. That's all for today's product critique. If you're looking for skewers that make grilling easier and more enjoyable, this set is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest product reviews.